We are trying to answer the question if 50% of the children in a certain group have brown hair. So let's look at clue 1. 70% of the boys have brown hair. Well, we know nothing about the girls, and there might be a huge amount of girls, and only a small percent has brown hair, and that would bring this overall down. So you don't know anything about the total number of each one. So that doesn't work. 2, 30% of the children in the group are girls with brown hair. Well, the same reasoning, we don't know anything at all about the boys. So 2 doesn't work. Now put them both together, and that's not going to work either because you don't know the total number of kids, boys, and the total number of girls. So that doesn't help you figure out if 50% of them have brown hair. So the answer would be E.